What is up, guys? Mikey Massini here with Mikey EDC. I hope you all have been well. If you're new here, what's up? On here I do reviews on gear, gadgets, tech, apparel, anything that I use on a regular daily basis to allow me to live a more aware and prepared life. So if you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and then hit that notification bell so that way you can stay up to date with all of my new content. For today, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video. Rather than doing it overhead, I'm gonna be showing you guys right here so that way you guys can get my reaction on how I feel with these products. And it's gonna be these 3 boxes right here. I still have a couple more that came in the mail, which I haven't picked up yet. So if you sent me gear, I'm gonna be working on it, I promise. I'm just a bit backed up right now with creation because the supply is just coming in. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel if you guys have helped me in the past, or if you guys are still sending product over and you still haven't seen it yet. So let's just dive into it, shall we? Boom, right here. This is the TPT slide in black, which I'm gonna be using to cut open my packages. And this right here is something that I bought off Amazon. It's a utility blade. It's Haikyo SK2H blade, and it's razor sharp, really sharp. Let's start off with this first one here. This is from KRVR Knives. So this is the MARKSMITH Black Titanium DLC Coated Titanium Bolt Action Marker Pen in matte black. Oh, I know who this is. This is from Soul Built. Heck yeah. Thank you to the guys over at Soul Built for sending me this. They sent me, it looks like, some refill highlighters for the pen, highlighter refill cartridges. This is the packaging that it came in. Look at that, MARKSMITH. So it has a magnetic front here. I would like to say thank you for getting the MARKSMITH and waiting patiently for its arrival. I hope that you enjoy it. Share and tag at soul.built. Hashtag MARKSMITH Titanium, hashtag Soul Built. I'll be sure to do that. Whoa, okay, hold on. So it comes with an extra refill inside the box. I open it up, boom, just like that, and then the pen itself was sitting right in there. Now I'll take that out. This is how it works. So this is a bolt action felt tip marker pen. Look at the logo there for Soul Built. It's pretty big and sturdy in hand. And then how it activates or actuates is boom, just like that. Boom, comes out. So let me write a little note here. This is freaking cool, but thank you, Soul Built, for the pen. I really appreciate it. Take a look at that, folks. Bam. Okay. Oh, and then when you actuate it, it says MARKSMITH right there. Isn't that cool? Wow. Soul Built, thank you so much. I'll make sure I do a review of this once I throw this into my rotation of my EDC. Next package is this one right here. I have been reaching out to a lot of Etsy companies because I don't know if a lot of people are aware, there's a lot of EDC gear that you can actually get on Etsy, and really quality made stuff too. I'll make sure I link them in the description below if it is a store from Etsy, but if you haven't taken a look at it yet, I mean, just give it a shot, see what it is. This right here says, Mikey, thank you for your support. A little bit about my shop and the items in this package. It'd be cool if you could do an unboxing, which I'm doing right now. Some people are impressed with the packaging. The Silver Express is a one-man operation. I like to say it's a micro business. I started my Etsy journey with woodworking items like knife blocks and cutting boards. I added some leather goods and now basic EDC pouches, wallets, and whatnots. I like to keep things basic, focusing more on keeping things simple, but make the best quality product possible that's going to last. So in social media, he's dabbled on social media, but found it took away from a lot of what he likes to do most, and that's make things. So he's been growing the Silver Express organically with basically no advertising. Where we can find them? We can find them at Etsy exclusively. He'd like to offer a promo code you guys are hearing it first, for customers for 10% off items that I am going to be reviewing today if you guys use Mikey10 at checkout. One more time, it's Mikey10 at checkout. Just let me know when you post a video, I'll make sure I hit you up. All the pouches are 3 inches by 4¼ inch. I got a military spec Ranger green 500D Cordura. The inner lining is military spec black 500D Cordura. So that's from Jeremy over at the Silver Express, exclusively on Etsy, like I just stated. And if you use Mikey10, you get 10% off. So let's take a look at this. So opening this up, like so, bam. Thank you for choosing handcrafted by Jeremy. Look at that, okay? This looks like a package that you would get if you're being asked to be a part of a best man or something like that in a wedding. This is super nice. I mean, look at this. Look at that, guys. Come on, the attention to detail. What seal stamp on the back? This is so delicate, I don't even want to go through it. All right, so I got 3 of them here. Let's start off with this one right here. Boom, okay. Wow, even this has wrapping over it with Silver Express handcrafted. Look at this pouch. Very neat micro pouch. You can slide your cards into there. Any small EDC items or multi-tools you can slide into there. The zipper, it's YKK zippers. All right, so you're dealing with quality here. And then you got a little band, elastic band right here in case you want to hook up a keychain, a lanyard, or what have you. And then you got a panel right here for hook and loop patches. So if you want to put a couple patches on there, very nice. And then you just slide that into your pocket and your items just disappear. You don't have to have them all over the place. Let's look at this one right here. The color of that one was olive. I think this is olive. I think that's an olive color or gray. Am I colorblind? What the heck's going on? Second one that I have here. Okay, this one looks gray. I know I'm not losing it now. This one, similar, right? Similar style, just a gray color, I want to say. But on the back side, it also has another hook and loop panel. So if you have any tactical gear or bags where you can slap this baby on there, you can do so with this. And you got that right there. Gray and olive. So it's Ranger green, sorry, and olive. And now I believe this one is the black one. Okay, for sure, this is black. And this is the black color, and this is the XPAC because of that design. Has the X's there. And this is also a similar pouch where you can just slide some stuff into. Wow, I like how the inner is lined with orange. Makes it really easy to identify your things, grab them out of the pouch. So there you have it. I got XPAC VX15 in black with a burnt orange inside. I have the classic Cordura gray in 500D. And then I have the Ranger green 500D Cordura. Boom. All from the Silver Express, handcrafted by Jeremy himself. Check him out. I'm gonna make sure I link his store in the description below. Mikey10 gets you 10% off. Do not miss out. Appreciate it, Jeremy. Next box here. Big one. Fling. This one is from, okay. I really be making these noises too when I open up my packages, but this is from Cuts. Bam, look at that. Okay, what does that say? Hashtag made the cut. I'm an ambassador for Cuts. This is their Instagram, at Cuts Clothing. So let's open this up. Woo! Premium packaging. All right. This is the AO Jogger in black. Wow, look at that. Okay, that is some really good material right there. It kind of reminds me of these Lululemon pants that I have. I could probably wear these to work, and they're jogger style. But the material isn't a sweats type material, so I think I could get away with it. Maybe, we'll see. So I got this in a large. This is the AO Jogger Black in large. Has very nice pockets on the back. It has zippered pockets where you can put your stuff. Yeah, that is very neat. Thank you, Cuts. This is the Crew Curve Hem in Ivory. Ivory and ebony. Look at that shirt right there. What I really like about Cuts and why I wanted to be a part of the Cuts crew is how simplistic they are. They don't put a huge brand or branding on any of their stuff. They literally just have that. It's a stitching of their logo on the side. It's very minimal. It's an X. It's a minimalistic style. And the last thing I got here is this. This is a hoodie, black. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. So this is a lightweight hoodie. Boom. I like the material of it. It's like a t-shirt material, but it's a hoodie. Wow. This is elongated. I was wondering why it was a little long, but it's an elongated hoodie by Cuts. So I am now part of the Cuts family. I will make sure I link them in the description below. I'll also have any of my affiliate links on the bottom as well. And it says here, the only shirt worth wearing on the inside of their box. Pretty cool. There you have it, guys. That is our unboxing for today. Got some pouches. I got a MARKSMITH pen from Soul Built. And then I just showed you guys that I opened my first Cuts package because I'm now part of the Cuts family. Let me know in the comments down below what stood out to you. What did you guys like? What would you guys like to see more of? Do you guys like this type of unboxing content, or should I just go back to my shorts where I'm just not showing my face and I'm showing everything overhead? I don't know, you guys let me know, but I'm just trying out new things. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok, please do so at Mikey Daily Carry. One more time, it's at Mikey Daily Carry. If you like this unboxing video, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, because if not, you are going to miss out on this content that I post. You're gonna have to search me in order to see that I posted a new video. That is it, folks. I appreciate it. Mikey Messini with Mikey DC. Peace out.